Checking finance, the stock market closed lower. The All Ords down 23 points, our dollar buying 68 US cents. Look at the petrol prices. The average for unleaded in Brisbane $1.72 and for diesel $2.04. And on the Gold Coast, the average for unleaded there $1.71. RACQ says delay filling up the tank with unleaded prices continuing to fall.
Many older Queenslanders are missing out on seniors discounts and may not realise there are more than 7,000 different offers available to them. They're now being urged to claim all their due on groceries, bills and other products and services.
For Stephen and Karen Stewart, grocery shopping now requires some flexibility.
Some of the usual stuff we would buy, we sort of have to switch to another brand now.
Yeah.
Just to, save a few bucks.
Can be a little bit of a shock with the bill that comes up.
But here at Seasons IGA Burpengary, they found a sweetener. 5% off every shop just by showing their seniors card.
They're a big part of the community and we want to support them, especially now during this hard time.
Over the course of the year, we can see that there's hundreds of dollars in savings to be had right across the budgets.
Compare the Market says it's not just shopping savings, but discounts on entertainment, transport and everyday bills. From 15% off car insurance policies to seniors-only bonus electricity plans.
AGL has a senior saver plan, which offers $200 in bill credits towards that seniors plan. So really great incentive for a senior to sign up.
While most seniors have a seniors card, they may not realise there are 7,000 Queensland businesses and services offering discounts. All of the savings can be found on the Queensland Government's website.
And they may be able to access discounts that they're not aware of.
The seniors card also entitles you to $370 yearly rebate on electricity and $80 off gas, as well as discounts off council rates. On the Gold Coast, seniors can travel on Surfside buses for free off-peak weekdays and all day on the weekends.
It's always a nice little present, I suppose, when you go to the checkout and find there's a few bucks less than what you have to pay.
Paul Taylor, 9 News.
Back to Luke now for your full weather forecast. Luke, some dangerous surf conditions on the way.
Yeah, that's right, Lofty. We'll see it from tomorrow afternoon. We'll see those southerly winds really pick up. A strong wind warning for all southeast Queensland waters tomorrow. Sunday's the day where we'll see very dangerous conditions across all of our open beaches. Forecasting up to 5 metres of swell off the coast. That'll translate to waves up around 2.5 metres along our coastline. And with that, potentially gale warning for our winds. We could see those winds gusting up around 50, even 60 kilometres an hour come Sunday. So pretty much a no-go zone for the beaches this weekend. And of course, we've got the rain to deal with as well. Light falls here at Main Beach this evening, but have a look at the radar. We're all about to be blanketed in rain across southeast Queensland. We're seeing some isolated heavy falls around Cleveland at the moment, through the Granite Belt and Darling Downs where we're seeing some moderate falls, but that is heading in our direction. So that rain will continue throughout the course of tonight. Have a look at the temps today from around the southeast, all way below average. 20 degrees down the southern end of the Gold Coast. A top of just 19 degrees for the city today. Ipswich getting up to just 19 and the Sunshine Coast topping out at 21 degrees. On tomorrow's weather map, you can see that low off the east coast combined with the trough. That is what it's going to bring the wind and the rain for us tomorrow along the Queensland coastline. Elsewhere, got heavy showers and storms on the way for parts of Western Australia. So around the grounds tomorrow, showers on the way for Sydney and Melbourne, fine for Canberra and Adelaide, cloudy day on the way for Hobart, possible shower for Perth and possible early shower in the top end for Darwin. Back home, got some light rain along the North Queensland coastline, but it'll be fine through the interior for the Isa and Longreach. Further south though, could see some morning rain for Roma, should clear to a nice afternoon. Along the Gooree coast tomorrow, it will be a rainy start with showers expected in the morning. They should clear by the afternoon. Same goes for Rocky and Gladstone. And a similar story for us in the southeast. We're all going to wake to a bit of rain tomorrow. The heaviest of the falls down here on the Gold Coast could see up to 40 millimetres. Most of us anywhere from 20 to 30 millimetres tomorrow. And we'll see those southerly winds pick up throughout the course of the day as well. Will be a cool day, struggling to reach 20 degrees for most of us. Out on the bay tomorrow, give it a miss. We'll see those seas getting up to around 1.5 metres. A strong wind warning for offshore. For the city, a top of just 19 degrees, dipping down to 14, anywhere up to 30 millimetres in the gauge. And then looking ahead, Sunday we'll see the showers clear, partly cloudy for Monday, possible heavy falls by Friday next week, and similar story for you in Ipswich and down here on the Gold Coast as well. Let's have a look at the beaches for tomorrow. Well, no sign this morning of what is heading our way this weekend with the unsafe conditions around our beaches. It was glassy this morning. Open beaches good, and down here at Burleigh turning it on with metre plus swell rolling through on the sets. Unfortunately, it all changes tomorrow. You can see the shark nets getting taken in this morning in preparation for the big swell heading our way. Here's the plan of attack. If you're an experienced board rider, hit the points on both the coasts. It will be your only option. With that strong wind warning heading our way, the open beaches will be an absolute no-go zone this weekend. For a day down the beach with the family, really Noosa on the sunny coast, Burleigh and Rainbow on the Gold Coast will be the only option, but you're probably best to give it a miss. It will be very dangerous out and about this weekend. Won't be getting offshore this weekend for the boaties, unfortunately. Real shame. This morning I bagged out on dolphin fish at the 36 Fathom grounds off the Gold Coast, and Ross McGovern Lucky Strike Charter's been having a field day with the snapper this week, getting some quality ones like this. Great stuff. There you have it, guys. Rain to start with tomorrow, but it should clear by the time River Fire gets underway tomorrow night.
Let's hope so. Nice one, Luke. Thank you. And that's 9 News Queensland for this evening. Deb Knight next with the current affair.
Thank you for your company. We'll see you again tomorrow night for River Fire. Hope you can join us then. Good night.
Good night.